Jayco Grayhawk for sale in Lansing, Michigan 48910. This 2007 Jayco Grayhawk is ready to make your traveling dreams come true. It is powered by a strong V10 engine matted with an automatic transmission. It features a charming layout design that is 31 feet in length and has a backup camera, factory cruise control, one slide out, one awning and sleeps comfortably up to 6. This is the ideal memory-making environment because it is clean, and has been very well maintained. This Class C RV comes with everything you need to hit the road with minimal effort, and you can be sure that it will be making memories for many years to come. Get ready to make this 2007 Jayco Grayhawk your next home away from home. This unit has tons of options and features that will incite comfort and tranquility while traveling. Some of these advantages include 3 burn stove/oven, microwave, refrigerator/freezer, kitchen sink, Dinette, TelevisionSurround, SoundDVD/CD/StereoSofaChairInside and outside, ShowerToiletMaster, queen bed, storage dresser/ClosetQueen, Bunk, rebuilt, GeneratorRemote, central air and HeatOutdoor, GrillAll, new tires including spare, plus much more. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. This 2007 Jayco Grayhawk is ready to help you travel anywhere your heart desires, both safely and efficiently. Don't hesitate. Call today for information on how this unparalleled 2007 Jayco Grayhawk can be yours.